Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and right now you're taking a look at a very gray scene along the coast where we could have some showers a little bit later today. Coverage isn't going to be too impressive, but it's just something to be mindful of if you're going to head out to the coast and observe the whale migrations, because you only have 2 times a year to observe it. 45 degrees right now in Brookings. Most of us are in the 30s and 40s. We're still right at freezing for Lakeview, but essentially the rest of us are above freezing. Now, a little bit later today, I'll show you some of the showers along the coast and in our other places. With Stormcast, we'll put this into motion, and by the time we get to dinner time, you can see some showers maybe popping up along the Cascade Ridgeline, maybe getting down into south central Siskiyou County, and then it looks like maybe we could hold on to some of this into the evening, potentially into the overnight hours, but then I think we'll probably have a similar day on Friday where we'll have some more small shower chances along the coast and up in the Cascades, maybe down into Siskiyou County too, but it's not going to be all that impactful in terms of appreciable rainfall amounts. Speaking of whale watching, if you're going to head out to the coast to whale watch today, temperatures are going to struggle to even make it above 50 degrees, although I think we're right at 50 degrees for Port Orford right now, so maybe we lowballed a few of these numbers, but we'll have showers coming and going, so it's not going to be a quintessential spring forecast out there, so just be sure you have the light rain jacket, maybe just a light general jacket too. So for today, we'll have temperatures about 5 to 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. We'll have skies that'll range from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, and we'll have some small rain and snow chances along the coast, down in south central Siskiyou County and up in the Cascades. Snow levels are going to be between 2,000 to 4,500 feet, and we'll have some breezes today gusting out of the west upwards of 20 to 30 miles per hour. Now overnight, the breezes are going to calm down for the east side, but for the Cascades, they will continue gusting out of the west and northwest upwards of maybe 20 to 30 miles per hour. And remember, like I showed you on Stormcast, a few showers down in the Mount Shasta City area overnight, maybe along the coast up in the Cascades, but our other regions will stay dry, and also will probably be a little bit warmer compared to this morning because we'll have an increase in clouds, and sometimes that tends to retain heat in the lower levels of the atmosphere. So similar forecast for Friday, small shower chances, but then anything but for Saturday and Sunday as we are tracking more potentially high impact winter weather. So we're going with a high impact weather day for both Saturday and Sunday as we're expecting a big time snow event for the Cascades. Snow levels are going to be between 2,500 to 4,500 feet. And we actually have winter storm watches already in place for Jackson County and for the Cascades and Siskiyou in elevations above 2,500 feet. So just know we're likely going to have some more travel headaches this weekend, not only because of the snow, but also because winds could be a big factor with this storm system, just like with the storm system we had a couple days back. So here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s and lots of rain over the next 7 days, although it looks like we're going to trend a little bit drier and a little bit warmer in the next week. So that is certainly an encouraging sign. For Siskiyou County, we'll likely stay dry for today and tomorrow, even with some very small shower chances, but then more wet and wintry weather returning over the weekend, and winds again. There'll be a big issue not only for Siskiyou County but also for the east side. I think travel on Oregon 140 this weekend is probably going to look a little rough. For the Cascades and Siskiyous, we're expecting maybe 2 to 3 feet of snow when this storm system is all said and done. So continuing to add to the snowpack, our drought will continue to improve. And then for the Rogue Valley, dry for today and tomorrow, rain likely on Saturday and Sunday, and then snow levels likely reaching the valley floor come time for Monday morning.